Hey guys, I'm going to show a DIY do-it-yourself cancel process. This is something that we're looking to make available on a per account basis if necessary, that we determine that we want to give that responsibility to the client to cancel themselves so that they might reactivate later. So let's get a good look at how someone else is doing it. I came across this company that I'm actually wanting to cancel. So they are Active Campaign. It's a decent service, but we're just not using it. And so I'm going to go to cancel and notice the discrete small button here in red. So that making that available is something that we might conditionally do. And then so there's two options. I can say here I want they right away try to convert me and give me a financial incentive, 50% off my next 3 months, 2 account review calls, and access to our customer service team, including live screen sharing. So if I select this, what happens is I come into here and it says you're getting that off the next 3 months, but I'm already paid through here, but it'll do it for the next 3 months. So that's kind of neat, and it just kind of stays there, I think. This little code up here literally says to display that message, but my guess is that message will disappear if I come in later and look at my billing. So that's nice, but I'm gonna still cancel my account. So I'm gonna go, nope, thanks, but I still want to cancel. Well, actually, hold on a second. This time I noticed it only gave me 2 of those choices. Oh no, all 3 of them are there still. So thanks, but I'm still going to cancel. And now they're giving me a second challenge. Hey, we'd love to show you how we can help you before you cancel. Please unlock free one-on-one strategy support session. How cool is that? I'm going to get a one-on-one consultation just for talking to you, and probably they'll give me the 50% off too. But so what's this do? It says in the bottom corner, but you can't see it. I'm going to click on this and it opens up Calendly, so I can request a Calendly and get a Calendly, but sadly they've completely failed here, and their customer success people are not available. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yep, still I want to cancel you. And now I get the third challenge. Why do you want to cancel? And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 choices. Now, I'm going to just explore all these because I think it's interesting. Couldn't figure things out. Well, I can schedule a free consultation, and again, this seems to link to my Calendly or to their Calendly, and ooh, this time it works. Check that out. I can request a Spanish or English. No, just English. Italian. How cute. So I'm actually not gonna do it, but oh look, they still don't have time slots, but we'll be much better than that. So cancel my account. I couldn't figure things out, was that. And second is I had a problem with the product, and still they're giving me a little schedule free session. I had an issue with customer service. Again, free session. It costs too much. We'd love to. Okay, so all of these are pretty much doing the same thing, except this one. I found another tool I like better. Well, which one? So if I didn't know before, here's some of their competitors. That's interesting. Tell us more. And it has a feature. I was directed by another vendor. My company found a more affordable option or other. So that's kind of neat. I need to pause my account. How long do you need to pause? 1 to 3 months. And why, describe why you need to pause. And these are some of the choices. Oh, I'm just realizing that you don't see those in the pop-up there. So we're currently evaluating more vendors, our financial hardship, other, and wondering if some of these others, yeah. Look at all these competitors they have here. I'm going through those choices because they didn't show. And then lastly, I need to pause my billing. Yep, I told you. And then I'm experiencing financial hardship. you can schedule a free session again. So I'm going to go ahead and it doesn't matter which one I choose. I guess I found another tool that I like better, which is our own. It's my company has found a more affordable option. We have our own mailing services. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and still cancel. And now that I've canceled, it says your data will remain active until that date because that's when the subscription is good through. But after that date, you'll be unable to. And I can cancel and go, no, I want to keep my data. But I'm going to hit OK. And now I'm canceled. We're sorry to see you go. Your account's been canceled. Now, interesting enough, when I come into the system again and browse around, and click to the billing and upgrade, I can simply reactivate here. And so they want to know, okay, cool, we got different options. You want to reactivate. So I'm going to go ahead and hit reactivate on the main option or select a different one down below. And that's going to just put me back to where I was, I guess. Sadly enough, I'm not getting the 3 months off 50% or anything, but I'm sure I could find if I wanted to talk to them if I was going to do that. But anyway, that's hopefully a good example by which we can follow and consider a scenario in which we can provide a DIY cancel process.